Miele's new hygienic barrier washer extractor. A dividing wall separates clean and contaminated working areas. Miele's barrier machine offers the ultimate in user convenience. Large doors ensure ease of loading and unloading. The drum, always perfectly positioned. The doors, easy to open safely. Featured for the first time on a barrier machine is Miele's patented honeycomb drum, combining gentle fabric care with maximum cleaning performance. Here too, large doors simplify the loading of laundry bags into the machine. The program is selected and started after closing the drum doors. Miele's data recording module for machines with Profitronic M controls protocols all consumption and program-related data using special software. This data can be viewed, saved and archived. Miele, making life simple. At the beginning of a wash cycle, water enters the drum, and the drum begins to rotate. Scoop and ladle technology ensures that laundry is wetted quickly. Drum rotation guarantees that laundry sacks unravel fast. Laundry is now free to tumble inside the Miele honeycomb drum for best cleaning results. Miele's new barrier machine, setting new standards, in particular in terms of technical design. Its robust construction ensures smooth operation. Even in the spin cycle, it's very quiet. At the end of the cycle, the drum automatically aligns itself with the door aperture. The drum locks into position, perfect for unloading the laundry. The doors on the clean side of the machine are now released, and laundry can be removed both comfortably and safely. Miele's Hygiene washer extractor for greater safety, gentler fabric care, increased user convenience and economic savings. Typically Miele.